This recipe is for Crumb-Topped Peach Pie, card 22. Hi YouTubers! This is one of my old vintage recipe card I want to share with you. I know some of you are familiar with these from the old days. This recipe card is for Crumb-Topped Peach Pie. Peaches are delicious, sweet, juicy, and they are good for you. Preparation time 20 minutes and cooking time 30 minutes. Here are the ingredients. You would need 1 cup sugar, a 1/3 cup cornstarch, 1/8 teaspoon salt, 1 egg beaten, a 1/2 teaspoon almond extract, 6 cups sliced peeled peaches or 2 28-ounce cans peaches drained, and 1 unbaked 9-inch deep dish pie crust. For the topping, you would need 1/4 cup sugar, a 1/4 cup packed light brown sugar, 1/2 cup all-purpose flour, and a 1/4 cup margarine. Serves 6. Instructions: 1. Preheat oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Mix 1 cup sugar, cornstarch, and salt in a large bowl. Add egg and almond extract. Mix well. 2. Add peach slices to bowl. Toss gently to coat with sugar mixture. Next, arrange peach slices in pie crust. 3. For topping, combine 1/4 cup sugar, brown sugar, and flour in a small bowl. Cut in margarine using a pastry blender or 2 knives until crumbly. Sprinkle topping over peaches. Bake until golden brown, about 30 minutes. Serve pie warm or cold. Card tips: make a head. Peaches may be peeled ahead as long as you dip the peeled slices in a mixture of 1 quart water and 3 tablespoons lemon juice to prevent browning. Variation: leave off the crumb topping and use refrigerated pie pastry for the top and bottom crust for a traditional peach pie. Looking for a quick way to peel peaches? Submerge them in boiling water for 20 seconds. Then, immediately plunge them into ice water using a slotted spoon. Pierce the peach skins with a knife tip, then just lift off. I hope you try this recipe. You will surely love it. I would love to know how it turned out. Happy baking! Thanks for watching. Hit like if you like this video and subscribe for more traditional card recipes.